outside of Pinon, Arizona. Nii Nee sending this out today. That's how you do it. I got these 8 pages or so right here. That's what a cover sheet looks like. These are all the people's names on there. This is the WRIT mandate order, and this is to verify it by notary acknowledgement and verification, impression, fingerprints. And then I got this writ of mandate order here. It's also a habeas corpus. Notice to the agent, notice to the principals that I'm filing this over there in California too. You're gonna put a number right there, and it's in reference to this case right here. You see all these aliases that they're trying to get 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Joseph Emerson, Joe, no middle name, some with the middle name, some missing letters, different birth dates. This is how your judges and your entities work. And remember, Native people, you have no agreement with the entity. When did you guys make a treaty with the ghost company, corporation? So I'm sending them notice that there's this court case ongoing now in the Supreme Court over there in Arizona. And this is correspondence verification from the Superior Court that sent me the facts, and they attest to it that this is certified, that they got it by fax on the date and times that they were served with the writ of habeas corpus on September 29th, and then on September 25th, right there again. And then there's the warrant that they were trying to cash in 50,000 on Joe Emerson ghost, and trying to get me to play it. And I got arrested and my partner, we got arrested in Winslow, Arizona on a fugitive warrant on that bullshit, and I got out on this writ of habeas corpus. I filed it into the Navajo County Superior Court right there on the 13th of August, and they put it in until the 15th. But that's it, the official one right there that I'm sending to these people that this court case from Siskiyou County is an administrative court, and it's in violation of 28 USC Code 607, that they are in violation of international diplomat. This is international documents and an international passport that's authenticated from the United States Department right there. The real United States of America, 13 slave colonies. There's my power of attorney right there. All witnessed, authenticated. Notice to the agent, notice to the principal. Hear ye, hear ye. And then in California, I got a certificate certifying that this is good for Cuba, my passport right there, and that I certify under penalty of perjury that all these are true in fact and correct, and that this is notarized by Martin J. Mejia. He's still good. He's still sanctioned to notarize these documents. Check it out, Secretary of State Shirley Weber. And these are from Shirley Weber. This is from, this says that there's no ghost corporation right there. Certificate, no corporation. Nii Nee. No ghost corporation. Emerson Joe. Alex Padilla said that. No ghost corporation. Joe Emerson. No ghost corporation. Joe Emerson. No ghost corporation. Katie Hobbs said it right here. Katie Hobbs. Arizona, right there. I, Katie Hobbs. Katie Hobbs, Secretary of State and Keeper of the Great Seal, right there. when she knows she did this and sealed these things that said that there's no Joe Emerson authorized as a corporation, limited liability company, or a corporation, right there, corporation or limited liability company. And she still put a green light on me when I got here in Arizona. They arrested me. So there you go, Katie Hobbs. That's why you're not the governor. And here's from an old friend of mine, J. Tony Sarah. J. Tony Sarah sent a letter way back in 2017 when I was in Kansas going against this fuck right here, Bruce Brock Abbey and Thompson over there. But then I added a good case on right here. That right here is 1310007. And the certified case about it, the question presented is important in all cases right here. In all the cases in the world, in the Court of Appeals, Supreme Court, this is what you gotta know what to say. If treaties are the supreme law of the land, do you have an agreement with your creator up there so you can enter into a valid treaty with the foreigner? And here's the claim that I won the court case, and here I'm returning what you returned back to me back in 2024, January 2, on January 2nd, 2025, you guys filed this, then you returned it back to me, making up shit. Simone Boltz, Jorge Navarrete. This is a certified mail to you, and 3 audio discs here of G.J. Linville, Vicego, I don't know how you say her name, and John Lewis. And so I'm gonna put these three audio CDs on it, enclosed in it. This is the cover right here. But that's what's going on here, everybody. Yate. Atilate. And Baja 1, Supreme Court of California. Nii Nee sending this out. San Francisco. Hokahe. Warriors. Front lines. Where's the war chief? Where's the headman? Where's your unchi? Where's your clan mothers? And the 3 CDs right here of these guys calling the wrong name and continuing to roll the ball in the court case. Okay.